In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Trello for beginners. Trello is a versatile tool that allows you to organize your tasks and projects in a visually intuitive way. To get started, you'll first need to navigate to Trello.com. This is where you can either sign up for a new account or log in using your existing email, Google, or Microsoft account. It's a straightforward process, and once you're in, you'll see how Trello functions like a digital whiteboard, providing you with the flexibility to organize your thoughts and tasks like sticky notes. A key concept in Trello is the board, which acts as your project or workspace. For instance, you might have a board titled My To-Do List. Within each board you have lists. These are the stages within your workflow. Think of them like columns on your board labeled as to do, doing, or done. Then within these lists you have cards. Each card represents an individual task or idea, such as finish report or buy milk. Let's create your first board. Once you're on your Trello homepage, navigate to the board section. You'll notice a button labeled Create a Board. Click on that. When prompted, try naming your board something straightforward like My Tasks to keep it intuitive. After naming your board, simply click on Create, and voila, you've set up your first workspace. Now let's populate your board. Begin by adding lists. You'll see an option to add list. Here, start with 3 basic lists: to do, doing, and done. These lists will serve as the primary stages of your workflow, keeping tasks organized and clearly visible. Next comes the fun part, adding cards. Under your to-do list, look for the Add a Card option and click on it. When prompted, type the task name, something simple like call mum or study for exam. After entering the task name, hit enter. This places your card neatly within your to-do list. Once your cards are created, click on any card to explore more options. You'll have the ability to add a description, set due dates, create a checklist, or even assign the task to another member. This flexibility makes it easy to manage your tasks in a detailed manner. Lastly, as you work through your tasks, simply drag cards from to do to in progress, and finally to done. This intuitive movement mimics how you'd naturally shift items in a real-world setting and helps you keep track of progress at a glance. Trello's visual nature allows you to assess your tasks quickly and ensures nothing slips through the cracks. That's it, you're all set to use Trello and start organizing your tasks like a pro.